Today we've got the Kizer Mini Grouper, or Grouper. It's spelled Grouper. Yeah, so Grouper. Comes in this box just with a cleaning cloth, some your sticker, which I'll get out now and put in my little sticker pile. The sticker pile is growing, and you get spare screws, which is awesome. So I'll chuck it out of the road. So that's it here. This is my first compression line lock. Smooth as smooth. Like, really smooth. Just running on ball bearings. Some nice dripping up top. Nitro-V steel. G10 with carbon fibre scales. Nice deep carry pop clip. And yeah, she's a very slicey blade. That's it there. Mini Grouper. Grouper. Beautiful knife. Actually, it's got the back flipper. It's a very fidgety knife. Just play with it all day. I love the sound it makes. It's got a double. It's got that detent there, which is actually a good detent. But takes a bit of force to, like, if it unlocks accidentally, I'm pushing pretty hard for it to get past that second detent. So let's do a quick cutting test and see how she goes. Get the old chopping board out. First we'll just do the usual cut and rope. Haven't sharpened this. I've got a feeling it's going to do pretty well being so thin and slicey. The ergos are very comfortable. I wear extra large gloves and it fits my hand perfectly. No play, nothing like that. Backing strap, where is it? Good old backing strap. Easy as. I wonder if I can get that to go through. It's going to be long enough to hold on to. No, I don't think so. Oh, went flying. And the 3/4 inch jute rope. Easy. So she comes razor sharp out of the box. Oh, this is a really hard jute rope. And it's really old. That went through that. Probably close to one of the best. Close. The one that got through the jute rope the best was the Scorpco Gentleman's. It's a slip joint knife, and it went through it like it was nothing. Still razor sharp. razor sharp. So yeah, that's the Kizer Mini Grouper, or Grouper. Very fidgety knife, nice and light. Too awesome for camping, hunting, backpacking, whatever you're into, just around the house, the workshop, wherever. So I'll put a link in the description where to get one from. And if you like the video, feel free to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. And I'll catch you on the next video.